maps, and we'll be constructing a heat map using NFL offensive player stats data. So that this data set is .xlsx data set, that is a Microsoft Excel, and this has been imported in Tableau using Microsoft Excel option. So heat map is used to visualize along with different colors. The heat map can be created using one or more dimension or measure, not both of them. Heat maps help in locating excess of fewer number of data points in visualization, thus finds its applications in various scientific experiments. So we'll be using 1999 to 2013 data sheet here. We'll be using age measure and dragging it in column. We'll be using college wins measure and dragging it in rows. So now we'll be converting them to average, right? We'll be using average of age and average of college wins in heat map. So now we'll be choosing density here in marks. We'll be using hometown dimension and importing it in detail. So now for the color part, we'll be choosing density multicolor here. So now this is a heat map. We'll change the title of the visualization and name it as heat map. So the size of the heat map can be adjusted. You can increase or decrease the size. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more visualizations.